hope students you are fine and you are enjoying your vacations. Okay students, in our previous lesson we have learned about pronouns. Now we are going to learn about adjectives. Our second lesson is related to adjective and also its types. Okay, open your grammar books and open lesson number 2, adjectives. Okay, have you opened it? Now come to question number 1. Question number 1. Write definition of adjective and also its kinds. Give 5 examples for each. Okay. Adjective are words used with a noun to describe or point out a person, place or thing. Adjective are the words which we use to describe someone, which we use to describe a person, place or thing. We use to point out that person, place and thing. So for that purpose we use adjectives. Okay, it also tells the number or quality, quantity of something. Adjective tell the number and quantity and quality of something. It also adds to the meaning of a noun. It is used to make a noun meaningful. Okay, now come to examples. A good boy, those birds, my pen, 20 chairs. These are all adjectives which are used to point out some person, some place, something. Okay student, now come to its types. And there are many types of adjective. Here we will do first type of adjective. It is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describe the nature of a noun. Adjective of describe the nature of a noun means what kind of noun is it. um, mm, like look at these examples, these words: honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc. These are all nouns which are used to describe the nature of anything. Look at example carefully. Sarah is a beautiful woman. Here beautiful is the adjective of quality. It is the quality of Sarah that she is a beautiful woman. Okay student, now come to second type, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is used to show the quantity of something, means how much, how many, few, half. These are all adjective of quantity. Look at example. They have finished most of the rice. Here most is the adjective of quantity, because most is showing that it's these rice are in quantity, low quantity or high quantity. Okay, now question, adjective of number. Third type is adjective of number. Adjective of number show the number of a noun and their place in an order. Adjective of number are used to show the numbers of any person, any place and anything. These are used to show the numbers. Okay, like few people, there are 4 students in the class. These are all adjective for number which shows the number of anything. Okay, demonstrative adjectives used to refer to individual nouns within the whole amount. Demonstrative adjective, like we did in our previous chapter about the demonstrative pronoun, which shows an individual, which are not used for any specific person. Okay, these are either, neither, each, another, other, etc. Okay, examples: taxes have to be paid vary by every employed citizen. Here every is not a specific noun, so it is an demonstrative adjective. Okay, come to next type. It is interrogative adjective. Interrogative shows that in this it will be about any question which will be asked. Okay, used to ask question about noun or in relation to noun: where, what, which and whose. Okay, example: which is your favorite author, which shows that it is a interrogative adjective. Okay student, come to question number 2. make sentences of your own by using these adjective. You will use these words and make sentences by using these adjectives. There is much, intelligent, a little, sunny, whose, loyal, that, a few, young. These are all adjectives and you will use in sentences. Come to question number 3. Look at the picture and write suitable adjective under each picture. There are some pictures, you will use some suitable adjective for every picture. The sun is very dash today. These are so easy, students. I hope you can do this. Okay, again these are some pictures and you will use some adjective to fill these gaps. Okay student, come to worksheet number 4. Write a short paragraph on animal or any animal of your choice by using so many adjectives in it. You will write a paragraph of any animal which you like most, and in this paragraph you will describe the qualities and disqualities of that animal. You will write about its appearance, you will write about its size, and also write about its color, and in this you will like the most. You will write about each and everything by using adjectives. Okay. Question number 2. Fill in the gaps by using demonstrative and interrogative adjectives. You will fill these gaps by using demonstrative and interrogative adjective, which I already told in our previous worksheet. Okay. Students, come to question number 3. Circle the quality adjective and quantity and underline demonstrative adjective. Okay student, you will circle the quantity, which adjectives are quantity adjectives, and underline demonstrative. You will underline the demonstrative adjectives. Okay. Question number 4. Make nouns from common verbs. One has been done for you. You will write about noun. There are some verbs. You will write noun of these verbs. Like first one is achieve, achievement. Second one is add. You will write addition or something else, and you will do this all like this. Okay, students, your handwriting should be neat and clean. Keep in mind. Thank you so much.